Well, welcome into my mom's home. This is my mom.
Hi.
Mom, did you ever try to sneak anything healthy into my mac and cheese?
Never.
Never. You hear that? Perfect. Well, we're making something we're going from the healthy side with butternut squash into something that is, it's not the healthiest, but it's delicious, and it's my favorite. We're making your famed chocolate chip cookies. Now this being the new addition for the Better Homes and Gardens cookbook coming out this year. We've used this throughout generations in our family, haven't we?
That's correct.
What do you remember her making from it?
Oh, a little bit of everything. She used it all the time. The cookies.
The cookies especially?
Especially, yes.
So this is kind of a twist you've put on it. You've added, you've tinkered and toyed with it. What makes this recipe so special besides like me eating all the cookies?
It's the good old ingredients of sugar, flour, brown sugar, pudding.
Yeah, and pudding. I think pudding is the pudding is the secret recipe. So we've already got it prepared here. So we've mixed in all of our ingredients. Now we got to mix in our chocolate chips, right?
Yep.
So you want to put those in there, and I'll help out here this time. Normally she makes it all the time, and I just come over and sample at the end. But I'm going to pretend like I'm helping here. Am I doing that right?
You're doing a great job.
All right. So is that good enough for?
That's perfect. You can always put more chocolate chips in there if you want.
Always put more. Mom used to let us eat the beaters as kids, but I'm sure you can't do that on TV anymore because there's like raw eggs in there.
Yes, exactly.
Is this a cookie scoop?
Yes.
I used to use it for ice cream. So anyway.
No, that's not the ice cream.
Here, you should do this part. So I'll just stand here and anticipate the cookie deliciousness.
And I like to use parchment paper.
Use parchment paper?
I like to.
Is that just to keep it cleaner so you don't have to wash your trays at the end?
Well, and they don't burn as easy.
Well, there you go.
All right, you're gonna put it in?
Now into the oven. 350 for how long? Bottom rack or top rack?
Middle.
Middle rack.
Oh, about 14 minutes.
All right, time's up. I'm ready. I've been craving these cookies for the last 14 minutes.
Here we go.
Oh, there we go.
Be hot, be careful.
Normally, so here's what I normally do. She puts these in the freezer, and I go out to the freezer and I eat them when they're like frozen. So this is a great warm cookie to start your holidays with. Thank you, Mom. Do you want to split one with me?
Sure.
All right, here you go.
All right, thank you. Woo.